Hello, a warm welcome to my channel Hangout with Priyanka. Today's recipe is gonna be the most easiest recipe regarding chocolate cake. Why? Because this is eggless, no beating required, no butter, no curd, nothing, but it's too delicious and very easy to make. This is the teacups in which I'll be making the chocolate cake. And another most important thing about the recipe is this is no oven recipe. It means we will be baking those teacups in normal gas oven, not in electric oven. Before going to the main video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click that bell icon to get the latest updates in future. So friends, I hope you're ready. Let's see the recipe and let's have a cup of cake. Let's see. In a bowl, take all-purpose flour or maida half a cup. Along with this, I'll be adding 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, that is icing sugar. Fifth, and here goes the 6th spoon of the icing sugar. With this, I'll be adding baking soda and baking powder. Give this a mix. To enhance the taste, I'll be adding a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. The cocoa powder which I am using is unsweetened cocoa powder. Give everything mix. Now take another bowl and over here I'll be putting the wet ingredients, starting it off with milk half a cup and 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Along with that I am adding vanilla essence. Give everything a mix and now pour the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Just add a little at a time and mix it properly. And check the consistency, it will be like this. Now one final ingredient to be added is vinegar. Now add and mix and move in one direction for 5 to 6 times. That's it. Now in a gas oven I have put one kadhai and this is regular salt. While baking the color got changed. So now in a medium flame you need to preheat the kadai for 10 to 15 minutes. Here goes our teacups that I have already shown. Let's pour the batter equally to each and every cups. Now to make the cake more chocolatey, I am using some chunk of dark chocolate and putting the center of the cups, so that the idea is not to having the choco lava cake, but yes, kind of semi choco lava cake you can say. Done. The kadai is being preheating for last 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's place the cups into it and cover it with a lid. Wow, our cake has been baked properly. Let's check with the toothpick. Yeah, it's done. Let's take it out. And it's time to decorate those cakes. Let's put some choco chips to garnish it with and spread some chocolate syrup. By cutting the cake, I hope you can understand how chocolatey the cake has become. And see, the center is filled with chocolate, the semi-lava you can say. Wow! I hope you have liked and enjoyed the recipe. Do try this recipe. Let me know in comment section. Trust me, this gonna be absolutely awesome. And if you like my presentation, like my video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, the link will be there in the description box. I'll be coming up soon with such wonderful recipe in future. Till then, Priyanka signing off. Bye.